And while health officials say we aren't out of the woods just yet, THV11's Mercedes McKay shows us how they're seeing some relief.
Here at UAMS, they're taking care of 40 patients with the virus, a number they haven't seen since the end of June.
This is really pretty significant for us. So it's been 6-7 weeks since we've had this low of a number of COVID patients.
It's news that brings a mix of emotions for UAMS's Chief Executive Officer, Stepi Mete.
The intensity and the number of patients in the hospital has decreased, and that brings that kind of relief. We're wary, however, because we still don't have the vaccination rates in the state that we want or need.
UAMS was taking care of 40 COVID-19 patients as of Friday, with 15 of those in the ICU and 8 on a ventilator. A drastic difference from early August when they had 76 patients. But Mete says the hospital is still full.
Even though the COVID hospitalization numbers are decreasing, there's no let up on the number of Arkansans requiring hospitalization for other reasons.
It's a similar story down the street. A summer surge that hit Arkansas Children's Hospital hard is finally letting up, according to Executive Vice President Jamie Wiggins.
The last week and a half, our census has actually gone down a little bit, which is very good for the children of Arkansas.
The hospital had 15 kids fighting the virus, with 5 in the ICU and 3 on ventilators as of Friday. While those numbers are lower, Wiggins says staffing remains the biggest hurdle.
There have been a few times over the last 6 weeks where we have had to let patients go to an outside facility.
Both hospital administrators adding the only way to continue on the downward trend is by everyone doing their part.
We can feel perhaps some comfort that we're starting to see a decrease, but now's not the time to let up our guards.
The best thing that we can do for public health and for workforce limitations is to make sure we get vaccinated and wear our masks.
Mercedes McKay, THV 11 News.
Thank you, Mercedes. As far as personnel goes, Arkansas Children's, they're trying to recruit 100 nurses right now.
They're also taking in travel nurses to help ease some of that burden.